Damn, these cars are crazy. Oh shit!
I am a lawnmower, still out there. I'm videoing.
I can't open this.
There's a guy on a lawnmower in this hailstorm. He has got to be absolutely insane. This guy, these hailstones are huge, and this guy is still low on the lawn. He's got his hand on his head. I don't know, he just pulled his shirt up over his head.
You're killing me with your talking. We're gonna sound like hillbillies when we see this in the Fox.
Left-hand one's in trouble, Brad. You get that?
Just twisting up. There goes a flash. It's blowing up some power lines now. Yeah, now. Oh yeah, I'm stopped. I'm in a parking lot right now. You hear the rain now? It's gonna pass right over me. Oh no, that's actually rain and debris, leaves and trees. The nearest tree to me is probably down the road from your house to the corner. Yep, there goes the roof off a house. And yep. Hang on, I love you. I'm okay, you already know. My truck is, I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. I'm still good. I'm still good, just now I got a problem with what I'm driving, it's damaged.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Oh, that's broke.
Oh my god! Dude, are you okay?
Yeah, my wrist is broke.
Oh my god!